I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's I'll try to do the unique kind of testing, which is charging the Realme X1 Max and while playing the PUBG game at same time. So as friends, let's check whether the phone can actually charge faster or not while playing the PUBG game at same time. So right now my battery percentage is of close to 5%. I think right now it's 6%, as you can clearly see, friends. So I did similar kind of testings in plenty of other smartphones as well. For example, with the Mi11X and iQOO 7 device. In case if you want, you can check those videos. So just type in the YouTube PUBG gaming while charging SciTech Guru. You can find all my videos. So which is really interesting test, because this will definitely put a lot of pressure on the temperature and a lot of pressure on the charging. And one more thing, this is not recommended by most of the users, because this will definitely affect the performance for the long time and even the charging speed cycle as well. So just for demonstration purpose, I'm gonna do it once, that's it. So that is also for not for long time, only for 15 minutes to 30 minutes only. So in case if I feel it's charging really fast, then I'll try to increase the time as well. So normally what happens is that in the normal charging test, within 30 minutes the phone will charge up to, I think, close to 60% or maybe 74%, something like that. So let's see what will happen with these results. So depending on that, I'll try to continue. I'll try to keep an eye on the temperatures as well meanwhile, because only while charging the Realme X1 Max the phone increased up to 42 degrees. So as friends, 42 degrees only while charging. But right now I'm playing the PUBG game and charging at same time. I'm not sure how much this 50-watt fast charger going to charge this mobile phone. I'll try to use this default charger only during this time of demonstration. Let me try to show you exactly. I'll even try to remove this live wallpaper as well from here, because some people, even they do say live wallpaper also will affect the battery. So that is what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to remove the live wallpaper, and I did connect to the Wi-Fi network. So let me turn on the Wi-Fi network is connected, and try to use the 50% brightness. I'm not trying to be so much in terms of the brightness, putting much stress. I'm trying to use only 50% brightness only during this time of testing. Let me try to connect the charger and start the stopwatch at same time when I connect the charger. So this is going to be really interesting test, friends, for the gamers who want to play the game and charge at same time in the Realme X1 Max. This is a video for you all. This will give you really good thing. As I said, this is not everyday situation and everyday scenario where you will be experiencing this kind of thing. Only once in a while it's fine, friends, no problem, but not every day. Let me try to do the charging first. So right now, as you can see, friends, I did show you the lock screen. I thought of showing you, I connected to the super dot charger only at this point. As you can clearly see here, I connected to super dot charger only. That is the reason I thought of showing you in the lock screen. I'll try to keep the phone here only continuously. And meanwhile, let me try to show you exactly what kind of settings I'm trying to play during this time of demonstration. So let me just go to the graphics, and I'll try to play with the smooth and extreme settings. As you can see, friends, smooth and extreme, I'm trying to play not with high settings only with normal smooth and extreme settings only. I'm trying to play during this time of gameplay. Let me try to select the mode as well, what type of mode I'll be selecting. I'll select the normal match. Let me try to select the normal match, and let's see what will be the results. And beginning the temperatures, I totally forgot to check the temperatures. It's of 38 degrees right now. As you can see, friends, 38 and 39 in the beginning. So 39 degrees, and back side 38. As you can see clearly, 37 and 36, 37, as you can see here clearly, friends, 39 degrees and 38 degrees. So in the beginning 39 degrees, and I started with the battery percentage about 6%. Let me try to write down the beginning temperatures and the beginning percentage, so we can calculate actually what is happening after 15 minutes of playing. So during this time, I'll try continuously play the PUBG game in this phone. So this will be a really good example for me as well to test the performance of this Realme X1 Max in terms of the FPS drop is there or not. And the brightness, I'm trying to use only 50%. As I said, I will not increase the brightness. So let's see, friends, what will happen after 15 minutes, whether the battery will be increasing much or not. So let's see what's going to be happening. And make sure to hit the subscribe and also do like this video, because it takes a lot of time and effort in making this many unique videos and this much of short amount of time. And my next video will be on the PUBG gameplay in this phone using the GFX tools. So make sure to stay tuned for the video. As you can see, friends, right now we are getting close to 15 minutes of continuously playing the PUBG game, and during this time the device doesn't feel much heat. I think the charging speed is slightly decreased to maintain the low temperatures. So that might be the reason. So let's see what will be the temperature right now after 15 minutes of playing. Still it's showing only 40 degrees, friends, not much heat. So I'm trying to charge, and I'm trying to play at same time using the 50% brightness and not trying to use more brightness as well, 50%. If you use more brightness, definitely that will increase higher in terms of the temperatures as well, more than 50%. But right now it's only 40 degrees, not bad. I'll need to check the backside as well. Backside also not bad, only 39 degrees. I think what is happening, maybe the charging speed slightly decreased. I think so, to or not to increase the temperatures in this phone. That is what I can actually feel it during this time of testing. And let me try to quickly show you the battery percentage right now exactly after 15 minutes. As you can see, friends, after 15 minutes it charged to 25%. After 15 minutes you can clearly see here 25%. Let me try to write down the readings properly here. So in 15 minutes the battery increased to 25% and the temperature also remained around 40 degrees. So I'm quite happy with this kind of results. The reason why I'm saying is because if you observe the other smartphones like iQOO 7 and the Mi 11X in terms of their charging speed, which is really low, because those phones gonna take close to 1 hour, I think, not 1 hour, maybe 2 hours of time to charge if you play and charge at same time. But right now with the statistics it's really good. So for 15 minutes only it increased it to 25%, but initially it was 6%, so you need to do minus, so overall 19% for 15 minutes of time. This is a conclusion, and 30 minutes we'll try to observe, and then we can come into the calculations how much time even this phone gonna take, even this phone is same like the other smartphones or it's gonna be different or not. So let's see. So I'll be keep on running until 30 minutes of time, so then we'll be able to discuss the final score. So as I said, I won't continue this kind of test for a very long time because this will definitely put a lot of pressure, and it's not good for the phone health, battery as well. So playing and charging at same time. So again, I'll be back after exactly close to 30 minutes of doing this kind of gaming test. So right now, as you can see, friends, we got close to 30 minutes exactly, and the battery reached to 45%. As you can see, friends, 45. Clearly, you can see, friends, the charging speed is quite consistent, I would say, definitely. I'll be able to check the temperatures. It's of only 40 degrees right now. It's not increasing much. So playing PUBG and charging at same time with 50% brightness, it's not affecting much of the temperatures as well, as you can see, friends. So definitely the charging speed is slightly low, but that's not an issue because it should not affect the temperature of the phone. And during this time as well, the gameplay is quite good, so not much complaints. And let me do quickly write the battery percentage, 45% and 40 degrees, as you can see, friends. So now we got the results. So for 30 minutes, if you calculate as a round figure, it can charge up to 40% for 30 minutes of time. So if you delete the 6% in the beginning, which has been started, as you can see, we did start with the 6%. So if you delete the 6% from this 45, so overall as a round figure, I'm trying to make it as easy. So 40% in the 30 minutes of time. So in the 1 hour, it will charge maybe 80 minutes. And in 1 hour, 30 minutes or 1 hour, 25 minutes, the phone can completely get full if you're trying to play the PUBG game and charge at same time. So I'm not going to try for long hours. Definitely this will impact the phone performance as well. So this is a quick comparison, friends, in terms of the charging speed test while playing PUBG games. So overall it feels kind of good, no problem. You can definitely do that, and just for 30 minutes of charging the phone, and you can play the game continuously again without charge for close to 3 hours. It should not be a problem for you all, most of the users. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and don't forget to check the links in description in case if you have any other queries. So right now, as you can see, I was able to get easily close to 59 and 60 FPS during this time of testing, even while charging and playing at same time. So not much complaints and not much issues. I'll try to do the another FPS frame drop test in the boot camp mainly. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.